Be able to fly. But you can only do so while singing "I Believe I Can Fly" at the top of your lungs. Everyone finds you incredibly charming, but your shoes squeak like dog toys with every step. Have the ability to time travel, but every time you do, your clothes don't come with you. Get free coffee for life, but every time you drink it, you uncontrollably yodel for 10 seconds. You never have to sleep again, but a group of ducks throws a party in your backyard every night. Have a personal chef for life, but they will only cook with ingredients starting with the letter Z.